Welcome, fellow explorers, to an unforgettable journey through the mesmerizing sanctuary of the Asclepieion of Epidaurus. Today, we're going to delve into the rich history of this ancient Greek center. Get ready to be captivated by its awe-inspiring ruins. Learn how to get here, the visiting hours, and the cost of this incredible experience. Let's embark on our walking tour of a lifetime. Nestled in the heart of the Peloponnese peninsula in Greece, the Asclepieion of Epidaurus is a historical gem. Located about 140 kilometers southwest of Athens, this site is easily accessible by car. To reach this archaeological wonder from Athens, it should take you a bit more than 2 hours to drive there. Keep in mind the route includes tolls. A good idea would be to stop for some minutes and admire the Corinth Canal. As you approach Epidaurus, you'll find a spacious tarmac parking area right before the entrance. Parking is convenient and secure, making it a hassle-free start to your exploration. Plan your visit carefully, as the Asclepieion of Epidaurus has varying opening hours throughout the year. During the winter months, you can explore from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with extended hours until 6 p.m. starting from March 1st. In the summer, the site comes alive with longer hours. From April to August, it's open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. From September until October, the closing hours will differ, gradually decreasing from 7:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Prices vary depending on the season. From November to March, tickets cost €6, while from April to October, they are €12. The ticket package offers access to both the archaeological site and the museum. The museum, noted for its reconstructions of temples and its columns and inscriptions, was established in 1902 and opened in 1909 to display artifacts unearthed in the ancient site of Epidaurus in the surrounding area. The museum is not large and is just a short walk across the ancient theater. Keep watching as we will walk along the archaeological site. Undoubtedly, one of the tour's most captivating highlights is the ancient theater at Epidaurus. This remarkable structure is celebrated for its awe-inspiring acoustics and breathtaking architecture, serving as a testament to the extraordinary engineering skills of the ancient Greeks. Historical records, as documented by Pausanias, reveal that the construction of this ancient theater took place at the close of the 4th century BC, specifically between 340 to 300 BCE. The brilliant architect behind this masterpiece was none other than Polykleitos the Younger. Pausanias, in his writings, lauds the theater for its impeccable symmetry and sheer beauty. With an impressive seating capacity of 13,000 to 14,000 spectators, this theater was not just a venue for entertainment but an integral part of the worship of Asclepius, the god of healing. Today, this monument continues to draw a multitude of Greek and international visitors, hosting performances of ancient drama plays. The modern era saw a revival of theatrical events at this historic venue, with the first contemporary performance being Sophocles' tragedy, Electra, in 1938. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Best Travel Video and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content.